36. 36.
Ready?
36. It's glowing.
You like charge it up phosphorus and phosphorus. Look how bright they are.
Ooh. That's not the pin. La 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 la. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna open 36 more bonus issues. Yay! 36, 36, 36. I'm so excited. 36, 36. Yay! Really like it. I got a changing color. And that. I got another glove. I got this. We got Scarlet, but Scarlet Witch. Well, glad the doctor sure liking us. And I got this guy. He's gold. Next. I got this. I got another one to sleeve. And look up how much glow in the dark. 6. We have 6 now. That's a lot. Yeah. Come on, let's. Wow, I got another bunch. Wow! You got another guy change color. We're getting lots of numbers today. What? Yeah. Down. What? Another! Oh my gosh! You get him. This is the one I always wanted. It was yellow on the collector's guide, but now it's orange. Weird. I got another change. I got a pencil. I got a pencil. I got a pencil. Oh, it is, yeah. Another Scarlet Witch. So this is too much. Today we get lots of doubles. Ah! Another. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, you're getting lots of doubles. At least we have lots. Elsa. Another. I got this. That's Bo. She got Bo from Toy Story. Here. Okay. You're always excited. Actually, look, I got 2. Another lining queen. This is really thick. I got this. This is too much. I really want to get more different ones. Okay. Yeah. I got Mrs. I think I got Mrs. Incredible. I'm not sure. Ta-da. I got this one. My gosh, another Yoda. I got some Star Wars. So these are 2. This is from the Star Wars. I know. I got this. I know, it's a change color. And I got this one, it's the Incredibles. She's from the Incredibles. I know because she has her sign. She got Red Scarlet. I got Captain Marvel. No way! I got Golden Thor. The Golden Thor. Okay. Toy! It's in the ocean. The far door is my favorite. Again. Baby. Elsa again. Wow. Now you could try doing it with Girls and Boys. Cool. Wow. Oh my gosh. I got this. Hulk, that green guy.
Hulk. And I will call it Witch Red.
Scarlet Witch. Hologram Scarlet Witch.
Next.
Last one.
Last one.
I got this one. And I got this one. They look the same actually.
Hooray! I got off
We've got 36. Look.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can put that in your water.
That's right.
And it's to free my lungs. And you can live there forever.
Forever. Ever and ever and
If you got flounder.
yeah, they didn't actually add flounder.
I think they're making flounder now. I think.